there, Marsha Kumi here with another cooking video for By Kumi. Today we're making yakisoba, a vegetable packed noodle dish that you can either leave vegetarian or add some protein to. You can make it from a package from your local grocery store or make it from scratch. You've got options. So let's get started.
The ingredients today: green cabbage, yellow onion, green onions, carrot, chicken or preferred protein, salt, pepper, oil for cooking meat and vegetables, 1 yakisoba package with seasoning for 1 serving. Not all yakisoba is vegetarian or vegan friendly. Be sure to check the ingredients. Maruchan's is convenient with 3 single servings. You can also purchase store-bought yakisoba sauce or make your own. To do this, you will need ketchup, soy sauce or tamari sauce, Worcestershire sauce, oyster sauce. I prefer having oyster sauce, but you can skip it. The measurements are a guideline. Adjust to your taste. The store-bought or homemade sauce can be used with plain ramen noodles. This is katakana for ramen. Katakana is typically used for items that originate outside of Japan, and ramen is originally from China. I like to keep a package of ramen in the freezer. It can be made into yakisoba easily. For the tools: plate or bowl for cut vegetables plus 1 for meat if using, vegetable peeler, cutting board and knife, small pot for noodles, colander to drain the noodles, cooking chopsticks, 2 spatulas, medium pot, serving plate. Let's prepare the ingredients. To clean the cabbage, cut off the bottom, remove the outer leaf and rinse. We only need 1/4 head of cabbage. Cut off the core and thinly slice. For the yellow onion, slice off both ends and peel the outer layer. Use 1/2 small or 1/4 large yellow onion. Remove any remaining root. Now cut the half onion from end to end and thinly slice. Clean 2 stems of green onions and cut into 1-inch lengths. Rinse and peel 1 carrot, cut on the diagonal for prettier looking pieces. And if using protein, remove gristle and extra fat and thinly slice. It's time to cook. To prepare the noodles, fill the small pot with water and bring to a boil. I'm using Maruchan's today. This one is actually 2 servings. Either add more vegetables or enjoy with more noodles. Once boiling, add the noodles. Start to gently loosen with the chopsticks. Turn off the stove and continue to stir until the noodles are nicely separated. Drain the noodles and set aside. For the chicken, add 1 tablespoon oil and turn on the stove. When hot, add the chicken. Lightly sprinkle with salt and pepper. Continue frying until fully cooked and the pink is gone. Turn off the stove and set aside the chicken. For the vegetables, turn on the stove to medium. Cook the crunchy vegetables first. Lightly sprinkle with salt and pepper. Continue frying until almost fully cooked. Then add the green onions. Finish frying the vegetables. Then add back the chicken. Next, add the noodles and mix a bit. Now add the seasoning. Mix thoroughly. Turn off the stove and you're done. Enjoy!
Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or for a printable recipe, visit bykumi.com. Don't forget to share your photos, and we'll see you next week. Jane!